Okay, this is now being broadcasted live on YouTube. This is position 4, Jefferson Capital Systems versus Jacqueline Moore. Jefferson Capital Systems is represented by Attorney Green, who's present here in court, and Miss Moore is representing herself, and she is also present here in court. Mr. Green, would you go ahead with your case, sir?
Yes, very quickly, Judge. We filed this case. It's an auto deficiency case. We attached the certificate from our client, the custodian of records, to show the original car note. The defendant was making payments, but then stopped and the car was repossessed. We included all the information about the 10-day letter and the notice of deficiency. The current balance sought is $11,477.95. There's also $133.65. Judge, we attached the affidavit again of the record keeper from Heather Whiteheel. We also attached the assignment showing that my client, Jefferson Capital, owns the account.
So that's what you're requesting for as a judgment, the $11,477.95 plus $165.13.
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Moore?
Yes.
What's your position?
I do not agree that I owe Jefferson Capital Systems that money. That's my position.
Is there anything else you can add to that, ma'am?
I don't know exactly how did they come into my debt. In the paperwork I went through, I did not see how they actually obtained my debt and how much they acquired my debt for. So that's why I don't agree that I actually owe them this money, because they did not show that.
So let me ask you this question, ma'am. Just so I understand your position, is it that you're saying you don't know how they obtain the debt, or is your position that you want to know how much they paid to obtain the debt?
So to my knowledge, I owe Bridgecrest money. I didn't know I owed Jefferson Capital System money. That is my belief.
Okay. So what happens, ma'am, is that debt can be purchased by a third party.
I did not know that.
Yes. And so generally, let's say that you owe me $100. And instead of taking the time and effort to chase you down for the $100, I take $20 from Jefferson Capital and I assigned my rights to them so that they then go after you for the $100.
Okay, I didn't understand that, sorry.
Okay. Is there anything else, ma'am?
No, I can't afford this debt. I know it's 6 years old and I am trying to be better at maintaining my debt and getting that under control. So I don't know what to do from this point.
Ma'am, it may have been a better decision to negotiate with Mr. Green with Jefferson Capital and either mitigate the debt, meaning agree to pay a lesser amount in full, or to negotiate a payment plan.
Your Honor, we've already discussed that and we weren't able to reach a resolution, and she wanted to have a trial. And now that we've had the trial, she can still call our office, but at least since we put up the evidence, I feel like
I understand, Mr. Green, and you got to understand there are other people here that may benefit from this discussion. You may negotiate a payment plan. because they've submitted evidence that's sufficient for me to grant them a judgment. And then once they have that judgment, they can pursue it in whatever means that are legally proper. And they may come out of left field one day. And instead of you acknowledging the debt and agreeing on a payment plan, there may be monies taken. And it may come at a time when you don't want that money taken. But I'm going to find that evidence is sufficient to issue a judgment in this case on behalf of Jefferson Capital Systems. Mr. Green, I'm going to need you to submit me a judgment.
Will do, Judge. I'll send that to Ms. Moultrie.
Is there
Okay.
is there a way that I could appeal this decision?
Ma'am, you can appeal any decision. You'll have, well, within 30 days, I think, to appeal this decision to the state court of Clayton County. But again, the fact that the facts, at least that you've alleged here to me today, I don't understand what would be the value in that, but it's up to you. You can do whatever you want to do.
Okay. Mr. Green, is there a way I can get in contact with you to try to resolve it?
Yes, you can call the office. It's 877